Welcome back, subscribers, and hello YouTube viewers. On this occasion we're off to a township called Elphinstone or Elphinstone. I'm not sure which one it is. I have been to the location and I've heard it from locals and visitors said both ways. Now, before we commence, I do apologise if I pronounce it incorrectly. Elphinstone is a town in northeast of Victoria, Australia, and is located approximately 96 kilometres or 59.6 miles from the capital Melbourne, covering an area of 84 square kilometres. The town sits at the junction of the former Calder Highway and the former Pyrenees Highway between Malmsbury, Castlemaine, near Taradale and Chewton. Its local government area is the Shire of Mount Alexander. Elphinstone railway station was located on the Bendigo line. It served visitors and local commuters of Elphinstone. The station closed to passenger traffic on the 4th of October 1981 as part of a New Deal timetable for country passengers, which basically meant buses were to replace the service. The town was originally called Sawpit Gully, but was renamed Elphinstone after Baron Mountstuart Elphinstone, Lieutenant General of Bombay from 1819 to 1827. The town's hub is the Elphinstone Hotel in Wright Street, originally named the Commercial Hotel and known over the years as Lonsdale's Hotel, Doren's Hotel, Tegel's Hotel. The Elphinstone Hotel is a large building, approximately 480 square metres, and has the appearance of a mid-1900s hotel, even though it was built in the 1860s. Major renovations in 1956 have changed the building's form to a corrugated iron, wide-hipped roof adorned by two 1950s-style chimneys. During the mid-1860s, Elphinstone had 4 hotels, a railway station with a livestock yard, a flour mill, and a population of about 300 persons. The countryside around Elphinstone is well known for its diverse flora and fauna, which attract local and visiting bushwalkers. The local terrain is undulating hills and gently winding roads, also brings a number of cyclists and motorcyclists in the area. Cable and Wireless Optus built their first solar-powered base station in Elphinstone in 2001. By making the mobile phone tower solar-powered, the company did not have to put expensive electrical power cables through the nearby state forest. The tower would improve reception in Elphinstone area. The town also had a garage on the old Calder Highway, which is now the corner of Thompson Street and Wright Street. It became the Elphinstone Fire Brigade and Metcalfe Group headquarters during the 1990s and early 2000s, until it was decommissioned and the new fire station was built next door. It is now used for storage and training for the brigade. And without further ado, let's check out Elphinstone or Elphinstone, however you feel is the correct way to pronounce it. Just a note, I did arrive in this location after about 10:30 a.m. The hotel wasn't open yet, but they were preparing for the lunchtime crowds, and there was a crowd on this day that I visited. Just a note, I did have a timetable for this railway line, so I didn't want my drone to present itself as a hazard. And no, I could not fly the drone through the tunnel as it's underground, and I'd most likely lose the signal and thus lose my drone, and I was not prepared to go fetch it out from this tunnel. Also, you'll note that when I'm flying above, I do have to press the return to home button on my drone, as it is very easy to lose your bearings on where you exactly are. Thus, the return to home feature on the drone did come in handy for the very first time. Now, just thinking aloud without doing too much research, and I'm not even sure if you can actually purchase this service station or lease it, but with more people now moving to the country to work from home, and plus this township has excellent internet connection by the Optus tower that they built, the solar one that I mentioned earlier, this would make a great location for also a family to run a business from. It's structurally sound, it just needs a cosmetic touch-up and maybe some modern refinements to the bathroom, and obviously include a new kitchen to it. So here we are nearing the end of this presentation or video. I hope you enjoyed it. It is a great little town. It has a lot to offer. And if you did enjoy it, by all means, give us that thumbs up. Please subscribe. And as I've mentioned on numerous occasions, subscription does not cost you 1 cent, but helps me with this channel. But most importantly, when you're out there, stay safe, commute safe, and have a great day.